Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Henry Garcia. Today we have a very special product in the showroom today. We have a client that asked for a very special need, and it's the James Loudspeaker SPL3, specifically the LCR version. The reason why is because he needed something that looks good and performs well with matching the size of the TV. So the difference between James Loudspeaker and other products in the market is that we can send in the exact model of the TV, and James Loudspeaker makes the exact extrusion matching the exact size of the TV. Another thing is they're very interior designer friendly. So if, for example, if I wanted the soundbar to look like this wall, to design to disappear with the wall, I can send in a picture of this wall, and James Loudspeaker can make an overlay of the grill matching the size of matching the wall. And it's very interior designer friendly because it has custom colors, it has custom widths, you name it, but also delivers high performance audio. Be sure to check out when we post the video of this install, and especially other installs like home theaters and smart home solutions alike. Call us at 786-237-9561 or visit us online at hemacinc.com or follow us on Instagram at hemacinc. Thank you.